So guys, we are inside our sample project. Select PIP, Material, Color. From here, select the black background. Look for Fill to cover the full screen. Tap on the edge. Give it same length as the video clip. Tap on empty space to unselect everything. Go to text. Insert the text you want. Select the font style. Color. Only the basic text color. This should be white. Label, border and shadow should be null. Go to the last option. Move the slider to spread the characters. Make sure the font is bold. Same, give the text layer same length as the video clip. Now export the video. Okay, our exporting is done. Delete the text layer and the original black background. Go to PIP. Import the recently exported video. Fill to cover the full screen. Go to Blend. Select Darken. Also you can try Soft for extra stylish look. That's it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.